After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this comprehensive overview brings you the real-world experiences of users with the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow, stuffed cotton plush animal toy, small 11.8-inch edition. If you own this adorable plush, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable for future buyers. The MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow has quickly become a beloved plush toy and comfort item for users of all ages. Its design is inspired by the irresistibly chubby and cute appearance of a seal, rendered in a soft, rounded form that invites hugs and affection. The pillow is filled with high-quality PP cotton, which is prized for its resilience, softness, and hypoallergenic properties. This filling ensures that the pillow maintains its plushness and bounces back after being squeezed, hugged, or used as a pillow for naps or relaxation. The outer fabric is described by users as exceptionally soft and skin-friendly, providing a gentle touch that is suitable for both children and adults. Many reviewers have highlighted the sensory comfort of the material, likening the experience to hugging cotton candy. This tactile satisfaction is a significant factor in the pillow's popularity, especially among those seeking a comforting, stress-relieving companion for home, office, or travel. In terms of usability, the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow is versatile. It serves as a hug pillow, nap pillow, plush toy, or even a decorative item for sofas, beds, and cars. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and suitable for a range of environments, from bedrooms and living rooms to offices and vehicles. The pillow's appeal extends to a wide demographic, making it a popular gift for birthdays, holidays such as Christmas and Valentine's Day, and other special occasions. The product's dimensions are listed as 13 by 6.7 by 5.1 inches, with a weight of just 6.3 ounces. This lightweight design adds to its portability and ease of use. The manufacturer recommends the pillow for children aged 36 months to 3 years and up, but many adult users have also found it to be a delightful addition to their comfort routines. The MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow has achieved impressive popularity, ranking as the #1 bestseller in kids' plush toy pillows, and maintaining a strong position within the broader toys and games category. With over 13,000 ratings and an average score of 4.5 out of 5 stars, the pillow has clearly resonated with a large audience. Users consistently praise the pillow for its softness, cuteness, and the emotional comfort it provides. Many reviewers report becoming emotionally attached to the plush seal almost immediately after receiving it, citing its adorable appearance and comforting feel as key factors. The pillow's design details, such as the tail and flipper accents, are frequently mentioned as charming touches that enhance its visual appeal. The color and pattern quality are generally well received, with the printing described as clean and vibrant. One of the most commonly cited benefits is the pillow's ability to serve multiple functions. Users employ it as a reading prop, a nap pillow, or simply as a comforting companion during stressful moments. Its size is often described as perfect for hugging, with some users noting that it is larger than expected, while others find it slightly smaller than anticipated. This variation in size perception is likely due to differences in expectations and the product's vacuum-packed shipping method. The vacuum packing, while effective for shipping, means the pillow arrives compressed and may initially appear flat or misshapen. However, users report that after opening the package and allowing the pillow to absorb air for up to 2 days, it regains its intended shape and fluffiness. Some recommend placing the pillow in sunlight or a dryer for a short period to expedite this process and achieve optimal fluffiness. The lack of any unpleasant odor upon unpacking is another positive noted by reviewers. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are some recurring concerns among users. The most significant issue relates to sizing discrepancies. Several reviewers have reported confusion or disappointment regarding the advertised versus actual size of the pillow, particularly when ordering medium or larger sizes. Some buyers felt they received a smaller size than expected, leading to frustration, especially given the price difference between sizes. This highlights the importance of carefully reviewing product dimensions and seller information before purchasing. Another minor issue mentioned is the occasional breakage of stitching or strings, particularly after extended use. While these incidents appear to be relatively rare, they suggest that the pillow may not withstand rough handling or heavy use, as well as some other plush toys. Nevertheless, most users find the construction quality to be satisfactory for its intended purpose as a comfort item and decorative pillow. The price point of the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow is generally considered reasonable, especially when compared to similar plush toys or specialty pillows. Many users express satisfaction with the value for money, noting that the pillow's softness, cuteness, and versatility justify the cost. The pillow's status as a bestseller and its high customer rating further support its reputation as a worthwhile purchase. In terms of gifting, the pillow receives high marks as a thoughtful and universally appealing present. Its cute and friendly appearance makes it suitable for children, teenagers, and adults alike. Reviewers have given the pillow as gifts for a variety of occasions, reporting that recipients are often delighted and appreciative. The pillow's ability to provide comfort and emotional support is particularly valued, making it an ideal gift for loved ones in need of a little extra cheer or relaxation. The MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow's appeal is not limited to any specific age group or setting. It is equally at home in a child's bedroom, an adult's office, or family living room. Its soft, squeezable form encourages relaxation and stress relief, while its whimsical design adds a touch of fun and personality to any space. The pillow's lightweight construction and compact size make it easy to move and position as needed, whether for napping, reading, or simply enjoying a moment of comfort. In summary, the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow stands out for its exceptional softness, adorable design, and versatile functionality. It has garnered widespread acclaim for its ability to provide comfort, emotional support, and aesthetic charm. While there are some concerns regarding sizing accuracy and occasional stitching issues, these are outweighed by the pillow's many positive attributes. The vast majority of users are highly satisfied with their purchase, often forming a strong emotional attachment to the plush seal. If you are seeking a cute, soft, and comforting pillow for yourself or as a gift, the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow is a compelling choice. Its popularity and positive reviews speak to its quality and appeal. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For those interested in purchasing, the product link is available in the description using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you honest, detailed reviews. Thank you for considering the MerryXD Chubby Blob Seal Pillow as your next comfort companion.